In this video, we will learn how to conduct a basic search in the EBSCO database. A database, particularly the ones to which L-TRI-C subscribes, are primarily databases of articles and all types of periodicals, i.e. magazines, journals, trade journals, and newspapers. EBSCO is a database that provides access to a range of databases, e-journals, and books. It is especially useful for searching across disciplines. In this demonstration, we will search for an article related to the topic of whether there is an ecological impact to global warming. To begin, go to the library's homepage located at www.lccc.edu/library, and then click on the Articles and More link, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. This brings you to our list of databases. From this list, select EBSCO. At this point, you may have to enter in your portal credentials. This will bring you to the search interface. Enter your keywords and connector into the search box. So we're going to enter global warming and ecological impact. Please refer to the video on creating your keywords if you need guidance in creating keywords from your topic. After clicking on the magnifying glass, you will see the initial search results. Notice that located under the search bar, you have a number of helpful options to narrow down your search results. Full text allows you to limit your search results to ones where the article is immediately available to read. Peer-reviewed limits results to articles that have been approved for accuracy, currency, and other standards by experts in a particular field. This will give you results such as in-depth research papers, but will exclude popular sources of information such as magazines, so use this limiter with care. You can also narrow by a particular date range. Another option is to narrow by source type. This includes academic journals, magazines, news, trade publications, and government documents. You can also limit your search by a number of additional filters by clicking on the All Filters tab. This will show you the full range of options available to you. For our purposes, let's limit our search to full text and magazines. The entries in your results list consist of citations for all of the articles or other documents in the EBSCO database you selected that match your search terms. Your search terms will usually appear somewhere in the title, abstract, or subject field of each document. The default display of the documents is by relevance, but you can also view the results in chronological order by date by using the drop-down menu. Let's select Date Newest to see the most recent results in this topic. Scroll through the results until you find the article Can the Ocean Save the Planet by David Helvarg. Each article title will appear as a hyperlink. You will also see a condensed version of the article's abstract. Abstracts are a useful tool because they provide a good overview of the article and will help you know whether the article is relevant to your research. To read the full abstract, click on the title to go to the item's full record. Then scroll down to the section marked Abstract. If we scroll back to the top of the page, there is important information you will need to create your citations. Here we can see the title of the article is Can the Ocean Save the Planet? The author of the article is David Helvarg. That this article appeared in a periodical called Progressive. Frequently, the title of the publication will appear as a hyperlink. Its publication date is April-May 2022, and the article starts on page 43 and is 3 pages long. On this page, you can also see your access options for the article using the drop-down menu. The PDF option will show you what the article looked like in the paper issue of the magazine. This includes any images or graphs in the article. The online full text option has a simple appearance and will only give the text of the article, so it won't include things like images, graphs, and the like. We can now return to the previous page by clicking on the upper left-hand arrow. If the article is appropriate to your research, you can download the article by clicking on the Download tab and selecting either the PDF or online full text option. You can cite the article by clicking on the quotation mark and choosing your desired citation format, or you can share the article by clicking on the arrow and inputting an email address. The article will then arrive as an attachment to the specified recipient. This completes our quick look at how to do a basic search in EBSCO. If you have any questions, please reach out to a librarian at 610-799-1150. Thanks for watching.